Welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can register and make payment for your desired courses. So I presume you've already watched the video on how to create the account, and then now we want to register for the course. So you just put your details here, your email there, and your password, okay, and then you log in. So once you are inside your account here, okay, if you want to register, you just click on any course. You can click view course here. So let's say, for example, I want to register for math, physics, chemistry, and biology. I'll just click subscribe there, okay, and then here the courses will appear. So I'll select the courses that I want. So I select math, select chemistry, select physics, and then select biology. Okay, so you can see here the proceed to pay is just here. So if you're using a PC, the proceed to pay will just be here. But if you're using a phone, this proceed to pay will be down here. So you have to scroll down to the bottom here. That's where you're going to find the proceed to pay. Okay, but for the PC one, the proceed to pay is just going to be here. So it shows me the total amount for the 4 courses that I want to pay for. So I'm just going to say proceed to payment. Okay, so once you proceed to the payment, this is going to come up. Okay, so it's showing you a summary of what you have you want to subscribe for. So there's math, chemistry, physics, biology, and the amount of money that you're going to pay. Or yeah, the amount of money that you're going to pay. So you just click on pay, and then this thing here will pop up. So here you put your mobile number that has the money. Okay, so if it's your Airtel number, you put your Airtel number there. If it's the MTN number, you put the number there. Okay, and then you just click pay now. Okay, so once you click pay now, okay, this thing is going to appear here, and then it's going to ask you complete your payment. So on your phone or the phone that has the number that you put there, you're going to receive a prompt to enter your password for your mobile money. Okay, so on your phone, just make sure you put the password there. Okay, so once you put the password, let me put the password. Okay. Okay, so I've managed to put my password, and then here I'll just say go back to home, okay, and then I'm going to scroll down here. So when I scroll down, okay, I'm going to find that the courses that I've actually paid for here, they're now showing enrolled, 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 enrolled. So I would have made a payment for my desired courses. And then I can open any of these courses to access the learning materials, like the videos, the notes, and the like. So for example, if I click math, okay, you're going to see that it's going to open, okay. Click general mathematics, it's going to open. So topic lessons, summarize notes, tutorial sheets, past quiz, test and exam papers, they are all there to help you guys learn fast and easily. Okay, so if you don't know how to access the videos from here, there's another video that you can watch. You can simply watch that video and know. Okay, for the purpose of this video was to help you guys know how to subscribe, okay, and make payment for your desired courses. So thank you so much for watching.